Good morning. Welcome to pre-market report for 21st of November 2022. So on Friday closing, Nifty closed around 18,307, and yesterday, XGS Nifty closed around 18,345. So almost it looks like a flat opening, and maybe market may turn to bullish. So particularly in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty is slightly bullish and your Nifty looks slightly bearish. But again, so this is the last week of this November expiry and it looks like a consolidation week. Okay, so like you can see, your open interest. So open interest for Nifty. So for this week, the OI buildup will be almost closely packed in the sense like both call option and put option were written, as well as they bought some call option and put option. So it looks like that's what the market will not move much. It will be packed and maybe some movement towards negative direction in case of Nifty. And if you look at the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty will be same case. Both call option and put option were written heavily, and you can see the market will be a completely range bound market. I'm expecting a Nifty to trade between 18,100 to 18,500. So this is what I'm expecting this per week, this week change. And if you look at the chart, so this is a daily time frame. In daily time frame, actually RSI indicating a negative move. Sorry, RSI indicating a negative move here. So if the market is gap down, may fall further still more and may repeat. Okay. So the fall will be up to this position, that is 17,990. You can see here, because this is what the low recently it has made, 17,990. So it may reverse after coming after reaching this level. This is what the case in case of Nifty. In Bank Nifty again it is trying to break the resistance zone, but it couldn't happen completely. It is a like entire week it was trading in a particular region. Okay, so between 41,900 to 42,500. Okay, it has to break the levels and it has to move further. Okay, it has sustain and then only it can move to 43,000. Okay, so this is what this week level. Okay, and today like expected to the resistance zone will be for Nifty, the resistance zone will be 18,350 and 18,400, and support will be 18,200 and 100. In case of Bank Nifty, the resistance will be 42,500 and 43,000, and downside 42,000 and 41,500. So this is what the expectation. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this watching video. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will get a regular updates whenever I'm posting a new video. Okay. Thank you.